If you notice a sudden decrease in milk output, your pump setup may need adjustment. First, check all connections. Make sure the valve, membrane, and bottle are tightly secured. Even a small air leak can reduce suction power. If pumping feels painful, do not ignore it. Pain is often a sign that suction is too high or the flange size is incorrect. Lower the suction and check alignment. Listen to your electric pump. If it sounds unusual or weaker than normal, inspect the tubing for leaks or moisture. Also check whether small parts need replacement. Another sign of improper setup is milk leaking from the sides of the flange. This may indicate incorrect positioning. Regularly reviewing your pump setup ensures consistent performance and protects your comfort and milk supply.